Think this is just a place for cute photos? You're wrong. This is the Dessert Museum, and inside are 8 dessert-themed rooms where you don't just take photos, you play games, win prizes, and get free desserts. We're going room by room, and I'll tell you which ones are actually worth it. Quick heads up, before we start, you get around 15 minutes per room, and once you leave, no going back. So take time and enjoy each room, photos, games, or food. You can't maximize all 3 unless you plan it right. Let's start strong. Let's go! Dessert Museum Day! Yay! At Mall of Asia. Kain muna kami ni Baby. Bago kami pumunta sa Dessert Museum. So excited. Ang tagal na namin merong ticket. Ngayon lang kami nakahanap ng time. Kita niya, may Frankies. Automatic. Frankies na daw. Tapos for our drinks, dito kami sa Chatramwe. We ordered ito, number 8. Thai tea with cream cheese. Pwede mo rin ipa-adjust yung sweetness level here. Cheers! Ngaw, Frankies naman daw. So easy! Easily one of my most favorite flavors of Frankies, the salted egg.
Or the sweet.
I love this because it's spicy, sobrang generous sa salted egg powder, and I love the crunchy curry leaves. It's either the original with blue cheese dip or this one.
Excited? Yeah.
There, Dessert Museum. Prepare our tickets, Lana. First stop is the donut room. Pastel walls, giant hanging donuts everywhere. But the real moment? Walking through a curtain of donuts. This is your main character entrance shot. Quick tip, don't rush the entrance. Reset, walk slow, get multiple angles. There's also a mini game here. Win it and you'll get free candies. Easy win, good start.
Yan.
Ito ba? Yes, ma'am. Ganito lang mo lagay niyo po sa gitna, tapos hindi po.
Ay!
Ganyan po. Tapos lakasan niyo, ma'am.
Oh! Wow!
Go.
Ganon, Lana.
Next, the Mang Inasal Halo-Halo Room. This one's interactive. There's a wall showing all the halo-halo ingredients, plus a phone booth where you can actually learn what each one is. Then, it switches up. Trampolines. Yes, you're jumping for your shots. Action photos hit different here. And then, the ball pool with a giant halo-halo backdrop. You get a free halo-halo voucher here, so yes, may dessert ka na agad. Next up is the Peach Mango Pie Palooza. If you're Filipino, you already know this is iconic. Hello Jollibee vibes, oversized mango and peach props, bright playful setup. There's a game here too, and if you win, you get a free peach mango pie.
Peach mango pie.
Show it.
At this point, you're not just taking photos, you're collecting snacks. Next is the Banana Beach Room. Now, this is where it gets serious. You get unlimited ice cream for 15 minutes here. This is the peak value moment. Not one scoop, not two, unlimited. Flavors are pastillas, banana caramel. Honestly, this alone makes the ticket sulit. But here's a move. Don't eat right away. Shoot first, then enjoy. Because once you start eating, tapos na ang content. After that, jump into the banana theme pits. This room is chaos in the best way. Next is the Balloon Room. Simple concept but super effective. Press the button and the entire room changes colors. Different lighting, different mood, different content. Stay for at least 2 to 3 light cycles, you'll get completely different shots. Next is the Cake Courtyard, aesthetic shift plus breather. From chaotic to chill, giant cake pops, disco balls, bright, playful energy but slower pace. This is your reset room. Take your time with photos and don't miss the wall. You can leave a note before moving on.
May Agoda codes pa. Libre promotion. Go, go, go.
Next, my most favorite room, the Dairy Doll Entertainment Peak. This is our most unexpected one. Dairy Doll Mouth, you literally get to ride the cow. It's fast, it's chaotic, and yes, you might fall. We did. But this ended up being the most fun room for us. Not everything has to be aesthetic. Sometimes, fun content wins.
Masanay ka na, wala na. Ay! Ganun talaga? Sakit? For fun lang.
Wow, that was fun. And the last stop, the Yaoya Room. Beach-inspired setup, this is your wind-down moment. Chill shots, cleaner aesthetic. After all the sugar and chaos, this feels like a reset before you exit. Before you go, here are the tips that will save you experience. Around 15 minutes per room, don't waste it. No re-entry once you exit a room. Wear comfy shoes, you'll move a lot. Charge your phone, low battery, missed content, and bring water. Trust me, after all the desserts, you'll need it. So now, the real question is, are you going here for the photos or for the free desserts? Because honestly, you'll end up staying for both. If you enjoyed this tour of the Dessert Museum, hit like, subscribe, and comment below which room you'd go straight to first. And if you want more food spots, hidden gems, and sulit experiences around Manila, I've got a lot more coming for you. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!